Hey there, ready to go on a sound adventure? We're going to learn something new.
Awesome! Let's jump right in and learn a brand new letter sound together.
Check this out. This is the letter W. See the big one and the little one? The letter W makes a special sound. It goes wah, wah, wah. Hear that?
And get this, the sound has a fun action. It's just like you're waving hello.
Okay, my turn first. Watch me and listen close. W, W, W.
Great job watching. Now it's your turn. You ready to try with me? First, make a little circle with your lips. Now say woo and give a wave.
All right, time for some words. Our first word is watch.
Did you hear that sound at the beginning? Wah. It starts with wah.
Ready for another one? Let's try this word. Water.
You've got it. Listen, water. That's our new sound.
Ooh, here's a long, yummy word. It's watermelon.
Yep, watermelon starts with that wonderful W sound. You're a pro at this.
Okay, let's try another one. This is something we do a lot. Wash.
Perfect. You hear it, right? Ash. There's our sound again.
And for our last practice word for today, let's try walk.
Fantastic. You can totally hear it at the start. Alk. You're doing great.
You were wonderful. Now for a challenge. What other W words can you find?
You did such an amazing job learning the W sound. Well done. See you next time.